Greetings everyone. We are Jhon Durán and Jonathan Grass from Universidad Industrial de Santander. Today we are going to talk about our research project titled PBL Teaching at Nuevos Horizontes Therapeutic Community inside the Modelo Penitentiary Center of Bucaramanga, obtained for the title Licenciado en Lenguas Extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. This research seeks to answer the following question. Does the implementation of PBL teaching improve the English productive skills and metacognition of learning strategies in inmates from Therapeutic Community Nuevos Horizontes in Cárcel y Penitenciaría de Mediana Seguridad de Bucaramanga? The general objective of this research was to improve the English productive skills of inmates through the implementation of the PBL model in English classes at TCNH from Cárcel y Penitenciaría de Mediana Seguridad de Bucaramanga. In order to develop the general objective, three specific objectives were designed. 1. To analyze inmates' perspective toward the usefulness of the English language in their life projects. 2. To analyze pre- and post-inmates' perspective toward their English productive skills level with the use of two questionnaires. 3. To strengthen the inmates' metacognition of their learning strategies through explicit activities in the proposed project planning. Initially, we had 22 students but finished with 15 participants due to external factors. Participants were mainly adults with elementary English level. For that reason, an A1 English level pedagogical intervention was designed in 3 terms for 10 weeks. Classes were developed around 3 products that will be the primary sources to be analyzed. Lessons took place in a virtual context. Technology items were provided by the jail. Nevertheless, the staff was limited to 1 mic, 1 TV, a couple of dictionaries, and worksheets. Additionally, inmates' metacognition of English productive skills was fostered and analyzed with the collection of their perspective towards the usefulness of the English language in their life projects. Additionally, inmates' metacognition of English productive skills was fostered and analyzed with the collection of their perspectives towards the usefulness of the English language in their life projects, as well as pre- and post-perception towards their level of proficiency in these skills. The results were graded in Likert scales and processed with graphics to be compared and analyzed. Moreover, students' productions were analyzed with the use of rubrics adapted from TOEFL IBT scoring guides for writing and speaking to come up with the results.
Regarding the findings in terms of grading skills, the following products, a letter, a CV, and a reflective paragraph were carried out by the participants as the product of each term. Then, we analyzed 4 specific writing aspects that were the morphology, the syntax, grammar, and cohesion and coherence. The final results are synthesized in this figure. It was evidence that the students improved their competences progressively after the development of each one of their productions. Speaking skills were fostered and practiced during the whole interventions, but it was measured only in the final product. In the videos, it was assessed coherence and cohesion, grammar, fluency, and pronunciation. The students managed to successfully complete the intervention with a better performance from their first attempts in regards to the aspects mentioned. Additionally, the students' self-perspectives of their English productive skills were collected by pre- and post-questionnaires to the intervention. On the first hand, as reflected on this figure, a low level was the most common answer based on the writing and speaking skills in their English performance during the pre-questionnaire. On the other hand, the post-questionnaire demonstrated a varied increase in different grades of the self-perception of their abilities at the moment of writing and speaking in general context after the pedagogical intervention. After the analysis of the findings, it was possible to point out the following conclusions. First, the huge majority of students perceived they improved their knowledge and proficiency about their English productive skills after the pedagogical intervention used in the project-based learning. Second, the students were able to recognize their own interest as well as the abilities to study and learn English as a way to improve their life quality in the future. Third, teaching a language around the development of projects that relate students to very familiar and significant situations makes them get involved and interested in the educational process. Fourth, the improvement of the English productive skills was progressive, and at the end of the pedagogical intervention, the students were able to make better use of the English language. Finally, these are some of the references from the complete list that you can check out in the final document. If you want to read the complete list as well as the full investigation, you can write to us at the email addresses that you can find here, johnduranmendez@gmail.com or grassjonathan1@gmail.com. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a very good day.